In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Delta Airlines employee account. If you are currently working for Delta Airlines and if you're trying to log into your account, then make sure you keep watching this video because I'm going to show you the section or the website from where you can log into your account. This is going to be a short and easy video, so let's jump right in. Search for Delta Airlines employee login and you can see the first result, which is from the website of Delta. So just click on this option which says sign in or Delta login. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the login section. Now in the first box, either you need to enter in your Delta login or your PPR. This is the information or the login details that has been given to you by the company. In the second box, you can type in the password. Now in case you have forgotten the password or your login details, you can click on the trouble signing in option. And from here you can reset or create a new password by typing in your Delta login or PPR. So once you type in both of these information, you just need to click on sign in and you'll be successfully signed in to your Delta Airlines employee account. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.